Running a small product business means keeping track of stock, recipes, batches, prices, labels, and sales.
Product Batch and Pricing Manager brings it all together in one practical workflow.
Maintain a clear record of your ingredients, packaging materials, and suppliers, including reorder levels.
Create recipes or formulas, record yields and shelf life, and calculate the estimated ingredient cost.
Define the products you sell, from single items to presentation boxes.
Book in stock, track lots and expiry dates, and see what is available before production begins.
Create traceable batches with automatic batch codes and a record of what was used.
Review ingredient, packaging, labour and overhead costs, then apply your chosen margin, VAT and final selling price. Print flexible batch labels with dates, prices and optional QR codes.
The built-in visual help center is there whenever it is needed. Each main screen has its own detailed guide, so the user can select an area and see a clear explanation without leaving the program. Log sales and use the dashboard to review costs, stock warnings, and product performance. You can download the Windows trial free for 60 days at Prodexa, Co. UK. After the trial, purchase a license key to continue editing your records,